Suppose a teacher wants to add music to a narrative. So first of all, let's record a line. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly. Now listen to the audio. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly. So we do not require this first portion, we will cut it. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly. We will quickly normalize the track. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly. So, the teacher wants to add music. So, in order to do that, we need to select a music file that we want to add. We can import it using File, Import Audio, or we can simply drag the file into it. So let's say I'll drag it from the desktop. So now we can see this is the first track is very small, it's hardly 10 seconds, and the other track is very long. So I will mute this track, the first track, so that it doesn't disturb us, and I will check the second track and see what kind of music do I want. It's actually a small nursery rhyme that I have downloaded from NROER, and it has already been recorded by CIET. So let's listen to it.
CIET NCERT presents English Rhymes.
Friends, in this series today, we bring to you the rhyme Butterfly.
Hello, children.
Hello.
Have you seen a butterfly?
Yes, they are so beautiful. And their wings are so colorful.
That's true. So, come, let's sing this rhyme on butterflies. Ready?
Oh, yes.
Butterfly, butterfly, flutter by, flutter.
So let's say this is where we want to start it.
Butterfly, butterfly.
So that means the entire first portion is not required. I can delete it. And the length I would select. So I'd listen to the song again so that I can decide how long do I require it.
Butterfly, butterfly, flutter by, up and down, and low and high.
Let's say I require it till here. I'll delete the remaining portion. I'll zoom it to fit the width. So we see now we have two tracks. We can adjust them like this. This one was muted. Now let's mute this one and listen to this one. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly. So now I want to add music here. Let's say I want to start from here. A beautiful butterfly. So I want the music to start somewhere here and to continue it. So I'll unmute it. I'll use one of the tools known as the time shift. I'll come here, select it, and I can move the track like this. I can shift it and bring it where I want it. So if we play them together, let's see a beautiful butterfly. So we can see that this track is much louder than the previous one, and it starts abruptly. So we will use two tools. First of all, we will reduce its loudness. We can use that by amplify. We will reduce its amplification, let's say by 5 decibels. Now it's reduced. So this first portion I want it to start slowly, so I can select this portion, go to effects and select fade in. So this will start the music slowly. So let's listen to it from the beginning. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly.
Butterfly.
Still it's quite loud, so I'll select this much portion and apply fade in. Use the time shift tool to bring it a bit further. We can also use this gain level to reduce the level further. Let's say I'll reduce it by 4 more decibels, and let's now listen to it. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly.
Butterfly, butterfly, flutter by, up and down, and low and high.
So the way we started, we want to end it the same way. So we will use fade out. We'll select this portion, go to effects, fade out. So it will end slowly. So it will start slowly and it will end slowly. Skip to start. Let's play it. There was a little garden, and in the garden lived a beautiful butterfly.
Butterfly, butterfly, flutter by, up and down, and low and high.
So this way we can add music or sound effect to make our narrative more interesting.